Hi everybody and welcome to York week day 5. Or is it 4? I've totally lost count now. But anyway, as you can see, I've just gotten ready. I'm not really happy with my eyebrows today. I feel like they look kind of weird, but that might just be me. But as you can hear, my voice is super groggy. Nice. Today we're going to continue the Only Fools and Horses lesson we had yesterday, but we're kind of going to look at the linguistic part of the series, and after that we're going to actually go down into the York Minster and take a look inside of it, and I'm really excited. We walked past there like the other day, if you can remember, and it looked so amazing. Like, honestly, whatever I filmed, it won't do it justice because it's just so magnificent. Like, that's the word. I might not talk like while we're there, but I will definitely film some bits for you. You can see the view from my room even better now. Look at this. It's so pretty. Look how many ducks there is there today. So there's so many of them.
But are they scared of people though?
I don't know, I don't think so.
It doesn't look like it.
Look, so many! I've only seen like 2 or something when we've been there before. They're so cute! Hello! Class, as you can see, and we're heading down into York now.
And it's cold!
Yeah, it's freezing today. But we're going to go to this tea house and eat some lunch, and
Betty's.
then Betty's tea room or tea house or whatever
Something
it is called.
like that.
I will show you when we get there. Are you enjoying your sandwich?
I'm delicious.
So great. What are we going to do now? We're going to try an afternoon tea because we've never done that before. Or have you done that before?
I've never, but we are here.
Yeah. We're going to try this one right here. I'm excited. Raining so hard right now, but we're on the right. We have just had like a little lecture about how this Minster came about and how it was made and stuff like that. Oh, it's really windy and really rainy.
And cold.
But we're going to head out into the Minster now to see how it looks inside, and I'm really excited because only the outside is so stunning, so I wonder how it looks like inside.
I bet it's so much more beautiful on the inside.
Yeah, same. You can sort of see it in the background.
Oh my god, that was a good shot.
Was it?
Yeah, that looked beautiful.
I'm definitely going to put it in there.
Despite the construction area, you know.
Yeah,
But
I feel like a building like this looks beautiful no matter what.
oh my god, my shoes are soaked.
You bought shoes yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah, but they're like these ones, and the other ones are high heels. So
Maybe you should just find some like Vans or sneakers on Primark when you're going
no,
there.
I have Converse with me.
Okay.
I just didn't wear them.
You should use them. there in the background. I had a little cry because it was so beautiful. Yeah, I do that a lot. But yeah, I had a little cry. It was just so beautiful and so massive. It made you feel so small as a person, which was really strange. But did you like it, Paige?
I loved it. It was really beautiful, and it was like so much details, and
Yeah.
it was all handmade.
Yeah.
And I think it was pretty cool that we got to see them clean some of the windows when they do it every 150 years.
Yeah. Can you hold the camera for a bit?
I can.
I'm just gonna close my jacket. That was a nice double chin.
She's closing her jacket.
I've gotten ice creams and a cookie, as you just
Milk
saw.
shakes.
And we're going to head back to Monk's Cross. I'm always about to say King's Cross.
Once again, we're going to Monk's Cross.
Yeah, to check out the bookstore, and she's going to buy a pajama she didn't buy yesterday, and she's regretting it. So we're going to go back because this is like the last official day in York.
These were so good.
It's a bit later now, and we've come to a pub called the Black Swan or something. We're going to eat dinner here with the rest of our classmates, and we don't really know what we're going to do after that, but I'm super hungry, so I'm really looking forward for some dinner now. And this pub is super cute. Yeah, it's called the Black Swan pub, or just the Black Swan. Paige?
Yes.
Is it called the Black Swan or
The Black Swan?
Yeah, the Black Swan. So yeah, what did you order? Did you order the steak and ale pie? Yeah, steak and ale pie. I'm excited. I've never had English pie before.
Me neither. Well, I have.
I'm gonna put this into a video, even though the footage is bad.
You have to fast forward because I keep going back and forth, and if you fast forward, I would be like.
To head back towards campus now, because we're going to go in the pub we were yesterday, because that game was freaking hilarious. So we're going to play it some more. The food at the Black Swan was freaking delicious. I ate the steak and ale pie, that's what it was called, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. Hi guys, so if it looks like I have been working out, I totally have. I'm in the middle of packing my suitcase, and it's such a struggle. I can't even deal with myself right now. And I just noticed I still have some few things I would want to have into my suitcase, but I don't think it's room. Yeah, I can make this happen though. We decided to go home and kind of pack our suitcases before we went to the pub, because then we don't need to think about packing later, you know? So we can just play the game, drink some beers, and just chill. I think I will have to like wait with doing anything until you guys are finished with yours, so I can see if I can fit anything inside of your bags.
Yeah. Okay. And we'll just swap around when we get to Norway, so it's fine.
Yeah.
But what were you thinking of?
Like ice. Paige is there. Her feet stink. I'm just joking.
No, I don't know what they do.
Yeah, I can like smell them into my room right now.
What?
She has been wearing these shoes, and I've kind of reacted to the rain in a really bad way.
So my feet stink.
Yeah, but I think it's mostly your shoes, and they are standing very close to my door.
They don't just stink, they reek.
Yeah, they reek.
They totally reek. You don't want to go near them. Wait a second. Wait a second.
No, ew.
Oh, they stink.
They smell like dog poo. Right? I bet. You
Well,
know,
I'm throwing them anyway.
Paige, I bet that was what we smelled in the bookstore.
Shut up.
Like we were both standing there in the young adult fiction section, and we both went, it smells kind of funky in here, doesn't it? What?
I'm going to throw them anyway because they're ripped.
Yeah, but didn't you buy new ones?
I bought new ones.
Du ser så ut där Emma.
Har jag köttbolle?
Ja. Jag liker att du inte trodde på det hela tatt när du sa det.
Alltså det vanliga har man på köket? Nej. Nej, var också telefon? Nej. Väldigt dåligt.
Paige is hiccuping.
Yes.
And it's really funny because she starts laughing after everyone. In your pocket. Oh God, I'm dying. I'm home now and that was a funny way home. I think we laughed for about 4 minutes or something. I've never met anyone who does that when they are hiccuping. It was hilarious. But I'm home now and my throat kind of feels a bit weird today, so I think I'm actually going to lose my voice. Hopefully it won't happen tomorrow, but I'm like crossing my fingers here. And yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a nice thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.